Hi everyone, it's Deb. I am here a day late, so my apologies to the host, who is Tess. Um, this is the collaboration called hashtag Gel Pens with Tess 2025. Some of us are using this Johanna Basford Small Victories coloring book. I already had it, so I was thrilled to join in a collab using it. And the whole point is to only use gel pens. Now, gel pens come in a variety. For example, these are all gel pens, and there's glitter, metallic, pastel, and neon. I did use those. And then these are more matte, but these are also gel pens. They're called Ink Joy, and they're a slightly smaller tip, 0.7. And then I have a big thing. I have a smaller thing of glitter pens, and then I have this big Aeon set. And I know Tess cut off her flaps. I just doubled them back, and I'm thinking about putting Velcro on the other side. And that way I can still get to them all, but if I want to close them up, if I'm not using them, or if I take them somewhere, I can. So, but yeah, she said that. I'm like, oh, I wonder if I should do that. And I thought, can't bring myself to. So anyway, I didn't get a whole lot done, but I did something, and I apologize again for being late. It's been a busy few days for me personally, not crafty wise, and I just didn't have time to do it before today, this morning. Today is Wednesday, May 21st. Happy Wednesday. All right, so let me show you what I did. I just did one half of the little trucks. So I still have not colored this page. And I will save the butterfly, and I don't know if I'll get to it next week either. I might just get this finished. Um, so to me, I was going to draw flowers on this because to me this speaks peace signs, flower power. It even has plants on the roof, but I didn't do that. But I did use neon, mostly neon gel pens. However, I couldn't for the tires. I used a metallic silver, and I think this black was also in the metallic. So I used all metallic and neons on that one. And I think actually I used a little bit of white glitter from the Aeon set for the windows. I wasn't quite sure what to do with that inside, but that's what I did. And then the Christmas trees, I'm calling it Christmas trees. I have some blue spruce and some dark green and some green mixed with blue. Anyway, and I thought, there for a while the red trucks were real popular. So this is brown gel pen. I think it's the Papermate. But then I put a little bit of like a beige um, glitter on it to bring back out the wood lines because they disappeared coloring with the gel pen. And of course then a yellowish gold. Actually it was neon yellow, and then I put like a little bit of gold glitter over it. Then we have silver hubcaps and black tires. And that's all I did on that one. And then the balloons, I used the pastels out of my Hobby Lobby kit and metallic blue in 2 shades. And neon for the headlight. And that's about it on that one. Very easy. And I did use a white glitter pen on the balloons. Just a little bit where that little spot is. I thought about going over it with a white gel pen, but I didn't have it in me this week to do much more than this. And this one I'm the least happy with. It's mostly glitter pens. Except for some of the icings and the cake are pastels and metallics, actually. So this one's supposed to be a chocolate cake with strawberry pink icing. This one's a yellow cake with chocolate icing, but the chocolate doesn't look very chocolate. Anyway, and then this one is a pink cake with strawberry icing and chocolate-covered strawberries on the top. They're all on silver trays. And then the background and the truck I made, I was thinking about those white ice cream trucks that used to come around in my area anyway, that started with a G and an H, if you know. I don't even know if they're still around. Anyway, I think the pink and purple are, what are they? I think they're Inkjoy, pink and purple Inkjoy. And actually, I think, mm, yeah, that's the only part that's, and maybe part of the inside of the truck. And the rest is glitter, sort of a beige. I went with a beige glitter and a little bit of white here and inside the windows again. And I didn't do any background for it, nor did I do the hubcaps on that one or this one. This one I put white walls on. This one didn't have any, and this one I used silver, black, and then gray for the tires. So I did them each a little bit differently. Least happy with this one. I like the other ones pretty well. Anyway, that's it for this week. Probably for next week, I'll probably just get these done. Maybe those and the butterfly. It depends. I don't think I'll have time to do much more than this for next week, so we'll see. All right, so thank you, Tess, for hosting this fun collab, and I do apologize again for being a day late. Time just got away from me. And now I'm on to my next projects. Talk to you soon. Have a wonderful rest of your week, and the rest of mine's going to be rainy. So if it's rainy where you are too, stay dry, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Peace sign on the hippie van.